Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about Lagrange's linear equation. So the given equation is of the form PP plus QQ is equal to R. So here substitute capital P, Q and R in dx by P equal to dy by Q equal to dz by R. So solve this to find C1 and C2. So put in the solution phi of C1 comma C2 equal to 0. So this is a solution. Let's see some examples. The first one is solve x into y square minus z square into p plus y into z square minus x square into q is equal to z into x square minus y square. So from the given equation, p is equal to x into y square minus z square, q is equal to y into z square minus x square, and r is equal to z into x square minus y square. So put this p, q and r in dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Therefore, dx by x into y square minus z square equal to dy by y into z square minus x square equal to dz by z into x square minus y square. So take this term as m. So we have to find the multipliers. So to find multipliers, in denominator, if we add the denominator, it should be equal to 0. So the first multiplier is x, y, z. So this term is m. So m is equal to x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz. That is, multiply x, y and z in the numerator and add it. Same to the denominator, x into x square. Therefore, x square into y square minus z square plus y into y square into z square minus x square plus z into z square. Therefore, z square into x square minus y square. From this, if we multiply this, it will all get cancelled and the denominator becomes 0. Therefore, m into 0, 0. Therefore, x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz is equal to 0. Take integration on both sides. If you take integration on 0, it will become constant c1. Therefore, c1 is equal to, if you differentiate x, it will become x square by 2. Same, y square by 2 plus z square by 2. The next multiplier is 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Therefore, m is equal to 1 by x into dx plus 1 by y into dy plus 1 by z into dz. When we multiply in denominator with 1 by x and 1 by y, 1 by z, the terms are cancelled. X and x cancel, y and y cancel, z and z cancel. Therefore, m is equal to 1 by x into dx plus 1 by y into dy plus 1 by z into dz. When we multiply and add, all terms will get cancelled and the denominator becomes 0. Therefore, 1 by x into dx plus 1 by y into dy plus 1 by z into dz equal to 0. So, take integration on both sides. Therefore, log x plus log y plus log z is equal to log c2. Here it is in addition. Therefore, it will become like this. Log of x, y, z is equal to log of c2. Therefore, c2 is equal to x, y, z. So, put this c1 and c2 in. Phi of c1 comma c2 is equal to 0. Therefore, phi of x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 comma x, y, z equal to 0. This is the solution. Next question is solve y square plus z square into p minus xy into q plus xz equal to 0. From this equation, we can write y square plus z square into p minus xy q is equal to, takes this xz to other side. Therefore, it will become minus xz. So from this, p is equal to y square plus z square, q is equal to minus xy, r is equal to minus xz. Substitute this p, q and r in dx by p equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Therefore, dx by y square plus z square equal to dy by minus xy equal to dz by minus xz equal to m. Here the first multiplier is x, y, z. Therefore, m is equal to x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz divided by x into y square plus z square plus y into minus xy plus z into minus xz. If we multiply, it will all get cancelled and become 0. Therefore, x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz equal to 0. Therefore, c1 is equal to x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2. So, here take the second and third term. Therefore, dy by minus xy equal to dz by minus xz. Here we can easily cancel minus x and minus x. Here we can easily find the second term. Therefore, integral of dy by y is equal to integral of dz by z. Therefore, log y is equal to log z plus log c2. log c2 is equal to log y minus log z. Therefore, log c2 is equal to log of, if it is in subtraction, it will become division. Therefore, log of y by z. Therefore, c2 is equal to y by z. Therefore, phi of x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 comma y by z equal to 0. The third question is, solve y minus xz into p plus yz minus x into q is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So, from the given, we can write p is equal to y minus xz, q is equal to yz minus x, and r is equal to x plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Therefore, substitute this. Therefore, dx by y minus xz equal to dy by yz minus x equal to dz by x square minus y square is equal to m. So, first multiplier is x, y, z. So, m is equal to x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz divided by x into y minus xz plus y into yz minus x plus z into x square minus y square. When you multiply this, the denominator becomes 0. Therefore, integral of x dx plus integral of y dy plus integral of z dz equal to integral of 0. Therefore, c1 is equal to x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2. Another multiplier is y comma x comma 1. Therefore, m is equal to y dx plus x dy plus dz divided by y into y minus xz plus x into yz minus x plus x square minus y square. When we multiply this, the denominator becomes 0. We know determinant of uv is equal to u into dv plus v into du. Therefore, this y dx plus x dy can be written as d of xy. Therefore, integral of d of xy plus integral of d z equal to integral of 0. Therefore, xy plus z equal to c2. So, phi of x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 comma xy plus z equal to 0.